Hey Harley Riders, this is Kevin from DK Custom Products. Today we're diving into the ultimate annual maintenance guide to keep your Harley running strong. And we're going to show you how easy it is to keep both the stock parts and the DK upgrades in prime operating condition. We're going to look at everything from oil changes to suspension to oil coolers, all the pro tips you need to ride safe and ride free all year long. So the question may be, why are we doing this video? And it's very simple. A well-maintained Harley is a happy Harley. Not going to let you down. You're going to have a much more reliable, better performing bike if you do regular maintenance on it. And if you've upgraded to have different DK parts on your bike, whether it's a high performance oil filter, an oil filter relocation, an additional oil cooler, suspension upgrades, whatever you've done from DK, we're going to show how to keep those in tip-top operating condition. And then we're going to look at how to keep your stock parts that came on your bike in great operating condition. And then we're going to look a little bit at the tools needed.